Number 42, it's kind of a fun problem. We're just asked to find the half angles, sine of x over 2, cosine x over 2, tangent x over 2, and we're told that the cotangent of x is equal to 5. We're also told that x is between 180 degrees and 270 degrees. So, given that, we know that x, the angle x, is in the third quadrant. So first of all, let's go in and let's find out what sine of x and cosine of x and tangent of x are, because we're going to use those in the half angle identity. So if cotangent of x is 5, then our triangle is going to be a 5, 1, and square root of 26. Hypotenuse will be the square root of 26. Just do the Pythagorean theorem. And given that we're looking at the third quadrant, we know that the sine of x is going to be negative, the square root of 26 over 26, and cosine is going to be negative 5 square root 26 over 26. And tangent, you can just sine divided by cosine. I mean, it's going to be, tangent's going to be 1 over 5. I don't know, I think I'll just solve part of this problem and let you guys solve the other ones. So the half angle identity for sine is the square root of 1 minus the cosine of x all over 2. That's what the identity is. And we know what the cosine of x is. The cosine is negative 5 root 26 over 26. So now it just becomes an algebra problem. You're just plugging in 1 minus 5 square root 26 over 26, all of that over 2. Get a common denominator, and you'd have 26 plus 5 root 26, all of that over 26, that over 2. And if you want, you can multiply the numerator and the denominator by 1/2, get rid of that complex fraction. So that's 52. We know that 4 goes into 52 13 times, so we can take the square root of 4. Square root of 4 is 2, so we can go ahead and root that out. So we have 1/2, and then we just leave behind the square root of 26 plus 5 radical 26, all of that over 13.